Hello everyone, this is Tejal from submodules software and today we will see how to add standing orders. So let's start. Just click on sales module, then select standing orders submodule. Just click on these four dots and select add standing order option. Just search for customer. If you don't get any customer list over here, then please check out my previous video how to add customers and then just select it. Then search for project. If you don't get any project list in this list, then please check out my previous video how to add project and select it. Then select the site or address. If you don't get any list, then please add through this add icon. Then select the department. If you don't get any department in the list, then click on this add icon to add new. I'm just adding sales depth and just save it. Your department will be created. Just close that model and select the department. Then select the delivery region. If you don't get any list, then click on add option and add it. Just select it. Then select standing order days. I'm just selecting Sunday and Monday. If you want to notify to customer, then select yes. Select the type. I'm just selecting cash on delivery. Status as active. Search for the product. Enter the rate. If you want to apply any discount, then apply it. You can easily resize your columns. Select the tax ID. If you don't get any list of tax, then please check out my previous video how to add tax configuration and then add it. If you want to add more optional details, then add it. If you don't get any product in this search, then you can quick add new product through this add product. You can also import your product and you can also select your product through the catalogs. Just save it. On save only, your data will be saved and page will be reloaded. Just save and close it. Your entry will be created on the index page. You will see it and you can easily view, edit and delete that entry through these actions. You can quick filter your results of standing orders through this filter given over here, and you can quick refresh that search data through this refresh button. This is how you can add standing orders. If you get any query to add standing orders, then please connect us at contact us@sunmodulesoftware.com. See you in the next video. Bye bye.